Hello and welcome back guys to the channel. So in today's video we're going to clean our dual cold air intake, the one we just installed like a month ago. They look really not that good. The color is gone, and that has to do with the dirt. So we have to clean it, and I will show you guys how to clean it step by step. So that's how it looks like right now. As you could tell, like it's not even blue. When I first installed it, it was like really blue. Now it's, I don't think it's dirty, but definitely not oily, and it looks dry and it needs to be cleaned. So one downside right now, the car is really hot, and it's really hot, but that should be okay. So you need a flat head screwdriver. So let's begin with the left side of the left side cone. As you can tell, is the AFE power. And man, it's really hot now. I'm just gonna loosen it a little bit. You don't need to open it completely. We just need to get it out. I mean, just to loosen it up a little bit so we could pull it out. Oh, here's our first cone, and we are going to loosen up the second one. Here we go. So I don't know if you could see, there's literally like no color at all. They look almost like light blue. Almost forgot. So here what we're gonna use first, the AFE power cleaner. It's actually a spray. So basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna spray it from outside. My hand is getting tired, man. So it's recommended that it says I have to leave it soak for about 15 minutes.
One eternity later.
Now we're gonna use the air filter oil. It's the final step for servicing the AFE power air filters. And finally, here they are, back blue, and I almost used half of the container, the oil. It looks so good right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you until the next video. Bye, peace out.